Hey everyone! Guess what? I just got back from my chicken coop and I got fresh butt nuggets. So I just thought that since I just made fresh rice too, I think I'm gonna show you how to make fried rice my way. Alright? So, you know you like fried rice, right? I'm gonna do a simple version. I'm not gonna put a whole bunch of stuff in it, and you can do that. And I'm gonna make simple fried rice that it tastes good and fast, and it'll be done in no time. All right, you ready? Let's get into it. All right, the ingredients: cooked rice, as much as you want. If you're gonna eat just a tiny bit, just make a tiny bit. If you're making just for yourself a lot, then get a lot of them. It doesn't matter. An onion, we're gonna diced onion. We're gonna saute them first. And today is protein. I got chicken, so I cubed it up. I cut it in a small cube, and that's what I'm gonna use. You can of course use different proteins. Okay, like ham, bacon, beef, shrimp, whatever. And I got 2 eggs and a little bit of salt and pepper and just a little bit of garlic and a green onion from my garden and butter, soy sauce, and just a tiny bit of sesame oil. Okay, all right, let's get it cooking. All right, first thing, heat up the skillet, pour some olive oil on there, and we are going to saute this onion. See that? You got to take this extra step, baby. Caramelize that onion. You know, just do it. Don't complain. Alright, once onion is caramelized beautifully, now you're going to add chicken or protein of your choice. Okay, in this case, I am going to put chicken in there. And make sure you cook chicken like 95% this stage. Okay, it's very important. To check that, look at it. Cut that big fat piece of a chicken and then see if there's a pink inside or white inside. If it is white, it's done. Okay, don't use a small piece, use a big piece now. Alright, now it's good. So we're going to add eggs. Our brand new super fresh chicken eggs from my chickens. Now mix that all together and then cook it. This process is pretty fast. That's why it's important to cook the chicken first almost all the way. See? It's important. You don't want no salmonella fried rice, do you? I don't. Alright, all the proteins cooked. Now we are going to add garlic and just lightly cook. Put some fragrance in there, right? And then we're going to add butter. Now this butter though, that's where the flavor comes in. See? Do that. Don't be stingy, okay? Now we are going to add cooked rice. As much as you want. Okay, if you want a little bit, just add a little bit. If you want a lot, add a lot. It's up to you. You know, and there's some recipe call for cooked rice that has been like fridged overnight or whatever. I think it all depends on how you cook the rice. Often I use just cooked rice. You know, you just gotta know how to work that thing to break those clumps of rice. You know how to do that? Add butter. No, seriously though. For real. Just add butter and work that thing. Okay, now rice is cooked and mixed together. Very nice. And no clumps. Then you're going to add salt and pepper. I forgot to show the salt and pepper part to you. And you can only see something sprinkling. But that's salt and pepper. Okay, nothing else. And no secret there. And add just a little bit more butter. You know, this is like a final process right here. All right, now if this all work together, then you're going to add just a tiny bit of sesame oil. The jar, I didn't use the whole thing. I'm talking couple drops. That's all it is. And then you're gonna add soy sauce. The pro tip, don't put too much soy sauce on there. And you don't want that. You don't want that rice start swimming in a soy sauce. That's gross, okay? Don't do that. It is just, think of it this way. Just adding color. That's all that is. And you're going to put fresh chives or green onions. In this case, I just picked a fresh one from my garden. You can easily grow that, you know, even in the winter. And mix it through. Okay, I just let you know there is no exact recipe of how much salt and pepper to put because everybody's different, you know, salt tolerance is different. So you're gonna have to taste that and then just keep adding small amount at a time. Just less salt, you can always work it. But if you put too much at the beginning, you're gonna have to cook more rice. So just do a little bit of time and then taste it and adjust to your liking, okay? It's very important. Don't over salt it or don't under season it either, okay? Just right. That's what you're looking for. All right, youngsters, my students. I just made fried rice using my fresh eggs from my chicken coop and green onion from my garden. And onion, of course, you know, that is not, I don't know where it came from. But it's all right, though. All right? Look at that. That was pretty simple, right? Yes. I have 15 chickens, all 15 chickens still alive. I didn't harvest the meat. I let them survive a little bit longer. Anyways, this is simple to make. And you can use the rice. And you know how to cook rice from the previous video. So that rice that you made, it's plain. Some of y'all saying it tastes like water. Well, boom, make some fried rice. You know, that is good enough for at least 2 people, 2 servings, 3 servings. And you know, make sure you have a lunch, dinner, and tomorrow's lunch. That's what you get from this. All right. So I hope you liked the video, and if nobody told you how to make fried rice, now you know how to make them. So you can't tell me ain't nobody told me. Not anymore. All right. Okay. Till next time. See you. Peace. Oh, don't forget. Like, subscribe, all of these good things. I ain't got time for trolls. All right. Watch out. Write some cool comment if you make it. All right. I want some pictures. I want to report y'all. All right. Bye.